Hi, welcome to my channel again. Today I will discuss a very interesting topic to calculate square of any number up to 1000 using one trick. Only one trick. Square of any 2-digit and 3 digits number using only one trick within a few seconds. So let's start. Just you have to know the square of 1 to 10. I think it is known to you all. Let us take an example. 37 square. What I am saying, carefully listen. Write 7 square. Here, just take 2 places. 3 square, just here. Remember, take 2 places for each square. Now multiply all the digit above, that means 3, 7 and 2. That is 3 into 7 into 2. Clear? That is equal to 42. Just leave one place in the right and write 42 after that. Now simply add these two lines and you see within a few seconds we can calculate squares of 37. Now let's go for our second example. 42 square. Put squares of 2 here as it is in 2 places and squares of 4 here. Now multiply 4 into 2 into 2. That is equal to 16. Leave one place in the right. Put 16 here and add 4, 6, 7, 1. 1764. 42 square equal to 1764. Our next example is 73 square. Look. Put 3 square, 09 and 7 square, 49. And now I multiply 7, 3 and 2, that is 7 into 3 into 2 equal to 42. Just write 42 leaving one blank in the right side and add. This is so simple. This is 9, 2, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry, 4 plus 1, 5. So 5329 is the square of 73. You can use this trick for any number, any 2-digit number and also 3 digits number. Let's see. Now I am going to calculate the squares of 3-digit number. Our first example is 512 square. Write 2 square as usual. Put in 2 places 04, then 1 square in 2 places 01 and also 5 square in 2 places 25. Now look, carefully listen what I am doing here. From right side I multiply 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4, and leave one blank in the right side. Put 4 in 2 places, the same rule. And now 5 into 1 into 2, that is equal to 10. Put next 10 here. And the last step is we multiply the first and last digit, that is our 5 and 2, and multiply 2 with it. That is 5 into 2 into 2 equal to 20. We will put 20 leaving one blank in the right side, then add. Simple. 512 square is 2,62,144. That's all. Isn't not a simple way to calculate the squares of 3-digit number? I am using the same trick to calculate 2 digits and 3 digits number. I am taking another example, 926 square. Here the same rule, 6 square 36, taking 2 places, 2 square 4, that is 04, I will write 04, and 9 square, 81, put here 81. Now I will multiply 2 into 6 into 2, the same rule, 24, leave one blank in the right side and put 24. Now 9 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 36. Put 36 here. And in the last, I will multiply first and last digit, 9 into 6 into 2. That is equal to 108. I will leave one blank in the right and put 108. Now just add 6, 7, 4, 6 plus 1, 7, 5, then 8. Just practice. You can do it within a few seconds. Now I am going to show you another calculation where 0 is in between. Let's 307 square. Put 7 square in 2 places as usual, 49, and 0, we put 2 zeros here, and 3 square 0, 9. And we don't need to calculate the middle line because 0 is in between. Just do the last step, that is 3 into 7 into 2, that is equal to 42. Write 42 leaving 2 blanks in the right. Then add 2 lines, 9, 4, 2, 4, 9. 94,249. This is the squares of 307. It's a super simple trick. Just practice and enjoy.